Hey guys, coming to you from Long Radio in West Springfield and Hadley, Massachusetts, the Toys for Your Car people. Today we got a 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter in the shop. We have installed a Alpine iLX-F309, the Halo9, and some SS65 6.5-inch speakers in the front doors. What's interesting about this vehicle is there's a handful of these out there from Mercedes-Benz that have a $1,613 radio delete credit. And when they say delete, they mean delete. There is no radio, there are no speakers, but there is no wiring for either of those in the vehicle. Meaning, from the dash where the radio would go, no wires running through the dash into the doors to wire in your speakers, no power, ignition or constant, ground, illumination, nothing, not a single wire running or harness running up to where the radio would be to allow you to wire in an aftermarket radio or a Mercedes radio. Mercedes has no way of adding a radio to this. You basically are on your own. You have to bring it to a specialist shop like us. You can't even buy the parts from Mercedes. Even the antenna, although it has an antenna on the vehicle, it's just filling a hole. There's no wiring up to it. That needs a couple of adapters to be adapted to the Mercedes antenna. It needs to be powered up. Kind of interesting. So we've installed this Halo9, which just looks awesome in the dash. I mean, look at that. Sounds great. This is a system building radio. Has a lot of processing power into it. Super fast. We've added a USB for charging and for plugging in your Apple CarPlay or Android. Super safe to use. Siri full voice control. So you can have it read back messages, send text messages without ever taking your eyes off the road, make a phone call, listen to your audiobooks, iTunes, get all your mapping in there from either Google Maps, or if you use Waze, you can do Waze. You can use Pandora, Spotify, Sirius XM apps, Amazon apps. It goes on from there. Plenty of apps out there to play your favorite music on. On this, we've also, Mercedes runs the backup camera through the rear view mirror with a small 4-inch screen. We've rewired that into the Halo9 screen. Let's pop this into reverse. So we've got the Mercedes screen, or Mercedes backup camera, on the Halo9 screen. We've also wired this so you maintain retained ignition. If you don't know what that is, basically when the doors are closed, you shut the key off, the radio stays on, shuts off when you open the door. We've wired it so that still works, just like it does from Mercedes-Benz. Like I said, we've also put in some Alpine 6.5-inch speakers. Alpine makes some great products for these. We've done subwoofers underneath the passenger seat base. We've done, Alpine makes this great compact amplified sub that can go behind the seats, and the amplifier 8-inch subwoofers all built into it. They have a brand new unit out with a 4-channel amplifier and digital processor built into it, so it can power your whole system and the subwoofer, and makes things very clean, compact, and simple. So some great products available from Alpine for this. Obviously upgrade, there's plenty of speakers. They're Type S, they're Type Rs. Type S is a great speaker at a great value. You go up in their Type R speakers. Plenty of other amplifiers, so on and so forth. If you'd like to give us a call, we'd love to go over some stuff with you as far as that's concerned. Some other great things, we've been working on a lot of these Sprinters, so please give us a call if you're looking for something, you're doing some work on your Sprinter, doing a conversion. We are a C.R. Lawrence dealer, so if you're familiar with them, a lot of guys use their We cut in windows. We can do the automotive flush windows. We can do the small slide windows up in the back, or they also make a tilt out one. They make the automotive style flush ones that go here with the awning style windows that are on the bottom all the way around the rear windows. We also do a lot of other products on these, sound deadening, a lot of sound deadening, insulation. We do a lot of the dash cams, the front dash cams, rear dash cams. We have some really great vendors for those, like Wayland's, Memento. So those are all available. Heated seats, leather seats. We can do custom, standard colors, custom, do a lot of leather. You have the ability, we are a tire rack wholesale dealer, so you want Method wheels, you want BF Goodrich tires, the radial TA all-terrains, mud terrains, all-terrains are the most popular. Those are available. Safety equipment, laptop and tablet mounts, satellite radios, any type of accessories, running boards. The list goes on and on. If you need something, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have questions on how to install this, you really need to talk to someone who's worked on one or is familiar with them. It's not a straightforward, easy install, but we'd be happy to help you. Long Radio, West Springfield and Hadley, Massachusetts. The toys for your car people. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.